How to find share SMS by feedback settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here and then click this settings icon, and after that just scroll all the way down until you find here messaging, and here scroll down and here you will find it share SMS by feedback, and now you can turn it off or on just by one click. It's easy, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.